You want to make sure those links in your description are clickable. Maybe you have a video you want to link to or some affiliate links. Either way, you have to make it clickable. And in order to do that, you have to activate a function within YouTube. And to start, let's go over to the studio. So once you're here on your page, you're going to go over to your profile picture and click on it and go down to YouTube Studio. Once you're there, you're going to go down here to Settings, and then you go over to Channel. Okay, this is the place you got to go, over here to Feature Eligibility. Okay, the one you're looking for is to be able to have external links in video descriptions. That's right there. It's under Advanced Features. But to get to Advanced Features, you first have to complete Intermediate Features. And to get to Intermediate Features, you still first have to complete Standard. But that's easy, don't worry. First feature that you have to get through is making sure that your channel is free of any community guideline strikes. That should be easy. Okay, once you're done with that, you can unlock intermediate features. In order to do that, you need standard features and you have to verify your phone number. Also, easy enough, right? Once you've done that, then you can go down here to get advanced features enabled. You've done your intermediate, then you just have to do one of these other things, a video verification, a valid ID, or you have to have a channel history. I was brand new getting my channel off the ground, so I didn't have the channel history. And truth be told, I thought just showing a driver's license was easier. So that's what I did. Didn't take long. I think they give you a time limit for how long it's going to take for it to be approved, for you to be eligible. But if I recall, it was pretty close to instant that I got an email saying, hey, good news, you have the advanced features enabled. That's it. That's how you do the first thing. The second part that you can't miss is you go over to, on your description itself, when you are writing it, you must put HTTPS. That's it. You have to. And if you don't do it, it won't be clickable. So you can't just put like www. It has to have this part, this HTTPS. Listen, I don't know. I'm not a magician. All I know is that's what YouTube decided you have to do. So if you have to do it, then I do it. Any other questions, let me know in the description. That should work for you. If it doesn't, again, let me know. Also, leave me a comment if you have any thoughts on other things that you would like a video on, specifically as it relates to Amazon influencer or really anything. We can figure it out together. I have fun with that. So don't forget to like this video. Please put a comment. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more. Catch you later.
See you next week-ish, or maybe two. We'll learn some stuff and laugh a few. No gurus here, just me and you, figuring it out like besties do.